SpaceX is a company that has revolutionized the space industry through its innovative technology and groundbreaking achievements. Founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk, SpaceX has taken on the challenge of reducing the cost of space travel and making it accessible to everyone. One of SpaceX's most significant achievements has been its ability to reuse rockets. Instead of discarding them after a single use, SpaceX's rockets are designed to return to Earth and land upright on a landing pad or a drone ship in the ocean. This technology is called vertical landing, and it has proven to be a game changer in the space industry. Since 2015, SpaceX has successfully landed over 80 rockets, including the Falcon 9 and the Falcon Heavy. These rockets have been used for a variety of missions, including launching satellites into orbit and resupplying the International Space Station. In addition to their reusable rockets, SpaceX has also made strides in space exploration. In 2020, SpaceX launched the first crewed mission to the International Space Station by a commercial spacecraft, the Crew Dragon. This historic achievement marked the beginning of a new era in space travel, one that is not limited to government agencies but open to private companies. Moreover, SpaceX's ambitions do not stop at low Earth orbit. The company has set its sights on Mars, with the ultimate goal of colonizing the planet. In 2021, SpaceX launched its Starship prototype for the first time, which is intended to carry humans and cargo to the Moon and Mars. In conclusion, SpaceX's achievements in rocket launches and landings have been nothing short of remarkable. The company has not only reduced the cost of space travel but also expanded the possibilities of space exploration. With its reusable rockets and its mission to colonize Mars, SpaceX is leading the way in the space industry and inspiring the next generation of space explorers.